After studies, you can apply for graduate visa or
Wow.
485. Very approachable naman yung mga staff natin. Yes, we are directly accepting with student visa refusal history. Okay, so very open po ang ating admissions. Yun po. And ang kagandahan with NTCA po, so very flexible talaga sir yung payment plan no na in-offer ni
Hindi isang
NTCA.
bagsakan.
Hindi po.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bansal Philippines, another session, another podcast with our invited guest for this morning. We have Ma'am Chris Gumaya from NTCA National Training College of Australia. Palakpakan naman natin. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Sir Eugene.
Welcome
Good
here at
morning.
Bansal Philippines and we are
Thank
really
you.
glad na binisita mo kami here at Bansal. Kamusta ka naman, ma'am?
Hi, Sir Eugene and Bansal Education. So, I'm Crizel. So, okay lang naman po. Medyo parang mainit-init talaga dito sa Pampanga, no? So, ganun din siguro kainit ang ating mga students na
Yes.
nag-aabang sa podcast ni Bansal Education.
And info session also. Wala
Yes.
din patagalin pa, let's know more about Ma'am Crizel, about NTCA. Ma'am, pakilala ka naman sa ating mga viewers this morning.
Hello po. So, my name is Crizel. So, I am the Country Manager for Philippines of National Training College of Australia located in Melbourne po.
Alright, pag-usapan natin, ma'am, why is it the best choice when we want to go to Australia? What's the thing about NTCA?
NTCA, we offer industry-focused courses in construction, hospitality, baking, information technology, and business. We all know that very in demand ngayon yung trade courses sa Australia, okay? For our Filipino market, especially here in Pampanga, we can offer our construction courses in carpentry, building construction, wall and ceiling design po. So yun yung mga ino-offer ni NTCA ngayon. Yun yung mga top 1 na courses natin. And they also have this 485 or yung PGWP.
Okay.
Also, we have patisserie, sir. Okay? Baking. So, yun yung mga specializations under hospitality ni NTCA. So, di ba, dito sa Philippines, if you want to advance your studies in baking, so you can choose NTCA through Bansal Education Migration po.
Yes, which I think our viewers, Filipino viewers, are really good at it. Kasi yung mga nabanggit na mga courses ni Miss Crisel, no, mga Filipino, those are really an in-demand field of interest sa ating mga manonood.
Yes, tama
Aside
po.
from that, Ma'am Crisel, no, let's talk about what career opportunities can students look after graduation. So aside from that, ano pa po?
If you will enroll through in NTCA po with our trade courses, especially in constructions, after studies, you can apply for graduate visa or 485. Yes, may 485 po yung construction courses natin. And very in demand po siya in Australia. So hindi po tayo mahihirapan talaga no na look for job later on after studies. And yung sa information technology din po namin, may iba't ibang specialization din po yan like telecommunication engineering, okay? We also have cybersecurity. So yun po yung mga in demand ngayon sa Australia. So hindi po mahihirapan yung mga kababayan natin to look for job after their studies po.
Yes, thank you so much, Ma'am Crizel, for that very informative explanation no, regarding to certain parts of NTCA. How about, ma'am, siyempre alam naman po natin, moving to a new country is really hard, challenging sa mga Filipinos. The question is, ano bang mga support yung binibigay, ino-offer ng NTCA para sa ating mga manonood if they want to really go to Australia under NTCA in partnership with Bansal?
So doon po naiiba si NTCA. Kasi meron po tayong department talaga na naka-focus to our students. So, they are very supportive in extending student services support. You can just chat them or you can just visit the office inside the campus. Very approachable naman yung mga staff natin po. And of course, through Bansal, so hindi naman kayo papabayaan po ni Bansal, considering na yun nga, hindi ganun kadali po ang mag-migrate sa ibang bansa. But through Bansal po, you can do it in hassle-free. And yeah, they will guide you in every step kahit na nasa Australia na po kayo. So you can just chat Bansal and then yeah, they will guide you in every step and how to settle down po in Australia. Since andun naman si NTCA, so pwede po natin maging help din si NTCA po sa pag-settle down sa Australia.
Ma'am, how about, paano kung they want to bring their child, partner, dependents? What's the status of that?
I'm very proud to announce that yes, if you are considering to bring your family through Bansal,
Mhm.
Education and Migration, yeah, NTCA is very supportive. So we are accepting applications with dependents naman po.
Okay naman po. No,
Mm-mm,
no, that's
yes.
not a problem.
Yes, of course.
Alright. So, I think nasagot ang isa sa mga major katanungan ng ating mga viewers. Kung pwede bang dalhin ang kanilang mga family members, the answer is yes. Kayang-kaya. Ma'am, how about, let's talk about refusal in a
Mhm.
way, no? Kamusta naman ang topic when it comes to refusal?
Okay, refusal. So I think ito yung mga nagiging struggle natin
Mm-mm.
sa ngayon kasi may mga gusto talagang students no na i-pursue yung Australia journey nila. Kaya kahit na may refusal sila, gusto pa rin talaga nilang itry. Okay, so with NTCA po, yes, we are open naman with refusals. Yes, we are directly accepting with student visa refusal history. Okay, so very open po ang ating admissions. We will just need to assess yung refusal reason and of course yung bagong GS natin, no? So through the help of Bansal Education naman, di ba? So
Yes
very
po.
supportive tayo sa GS.
Oo
So
naman.
kayang-kaya natin yan, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will need to check po.
Yes. Kaya sa mga manonood natin, pagtulungan nating ayusin at i-check ang ating mga
Mm-mm.
profile, mga papers, para at least ma-check, no, and ma-align namin kayo and ma-check natin yung refusal kung ano ba nangyari and we may help you on that matter.
Yes,
diba?
para ma-address natin, no?
Mm-mm.
Matutulungan tayo ni Bansal Education to address kung ano ba yung naging reason ng refusal
Mm-mm.
natin.
Siyempre, isa rin sa mga tanong na star ngayon sa mga viewers natin na talagang we kept on receiving those questions about scholarship, discount, financial support, some, ROI financially. Kamusta
Okay.
po ang status na yan?
Okay, so for scholarships, okay, so NTCA offers a merit-based scholarship with our students po through Bansal Education. So we are offering 10% if the student has IELTS score of 6.0 or equivalent. So we offer up to 10% scholarship discounts from the whole tuition fee.
Mhm.
And if our student has this IELTS 6.5 and above or PT equivalent,
Mhm.
okay, so pwede namin siya, sir, offeran ng up to 20%
20%.
discount.
So, approximately
Yes.
magkano po yun, Miss? Para at least mabigyan sila ng idea.
So siguro nasa around 4 to 5,000 din yung malilesen.
Philippine peso. AUD.
Doon sa total na
Gagas.
tuition fee nila. Yun yung madededuct. Yun po. And ang kagandahan with NTCA po, so very flexible talaga, sir, yung payment plan no, na
Mhm.
in-offer ni
Hindi isang
NTCA.
bagsakan.
Hindi po, sir. So very considerate talaga sila to our students, especially to Filipino students. Okay? So actually, si student nga, sir, yung mag-decide ng payment plan niya.
Payment
So,
scheme niya kung kailan
yes.
ba yan.
So he will just or she will just need to go to the accounts after the orientation, yeah, and then the student will be the one to suggest kung ano po yung kaya niya na payment plan. It could be monthly, quarterly, depende na po yun sa student.
For sure, hindi kayo mahihirapan sa NTCA when it comes to that kasi it will gagawin nating abot kaya at hindi ganun kabigat agad yung gagastusin natin when it comes to certain fees.
Yes,
Diba?
exactly po. And very minimal, sir, yung down payment po
Mm-mm.
ni NTCA.
Affordable as a Filipino citizen, kayang-kaya.
Yes
Diba?
po. So, ino-offer namin yan through Bansal Education, yung very low na tuition fee down payment po.
Yes. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Drop na kayo ng query sa ating comment section or any platform in our social media para at least masagot natin yan at mai-align namin kayo through our partnership with the NTCA National Training College of Australia. So, ma'am, Miss Crizel, this is now the perfect time and opportunity to share some advice to our viewers, no? If they want to really go abroad, especially in Australia, tapos wants to connect to National Training College of Australia.
Yeah, okay. So, if you are thinking to migrate to Australia po, okay? So, in NTCA, in partnership with Bansal Education and Migration po, so they will guide you, give you the correct options based on your profile. Okay, since we are offering very in-demand courses, trade courses po, especially in construction, so you don't need to think twice po. Okay, so if you are wanting to study, grow, and build your future in Australia, please contact Bansal
Bansal?
Education and
Migration.
Migration. Thank you.
Yan. Bigyan naman natin ng 3 palakpak si ma'am. 1, 2, 3. And I think that's it. That's the end of our podcast for this morning. Hopefully, sa mga manonood natin, nabigyan namin kayo ng glimpse, kaunting information, which is really viable and important and critical if we really want to study and continue our life and eventually makapag-migrate papuntang Australia through partnership of Bansal and
Yes.
National Training College of Australia or NTCA. Maraming salamat
Thank
po
you,
sa
Sir
pagpunta,
Eugene.
Miss Rizel.
Thank
It's
you.
very an opportunity and an honor to our
Yes po.
viewers so para at least makapag-decide sila.
Yes.
And that marks the end of our podcast for this morning. Again, I am Eugene and I am with Miss Rizel from NTCA. And this is again another episode, a very successful one of 1, 2, 3, go, Ma'am Rizel. Migrate, set, go! See you next time. Bye-bye!